Students, let's continue the reading of our chapter 21, Weather and Season. Now I am going to read the different seasons. Here I am starting with the monsoon season. Monsoon is the name of the rainy season in India. In India, we call the rainy season as monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Monsoon is wet. We know that during monsoon season there is rain everywhere, so we feel wet. There is water everywhere. The sky is usually covered with rainy clouds. We can see clouds on the sky. There is a lot of rain. There is water everywhere. People wear raincoats, gumboots and use umbrella for outdoors to keep dry. So people use raincoat, gumboots and umbrella to go outside to keep themselves safe from water and to avoid getting wet. Students, raincoats, gumboots are made of rubber. They are made from rubber. They are rubber clothes. These clothes keeps us safe from getting wet. They keep us safe from water. So we use these things during rainy seasons. They like to eat hot food like samosas and pakoras. We usually experience monsoon season during the months of July and August in India. Now we are moving to another season, that is autumn. Autumn comes before winter. It is a short season when it is neither hot nor cold. This season is for short time period. It is a very pleasant season where we do not feel hot nor cold. It is a very pleasant season. The weather is very pleasant during this time. Leaves turn yellow and fall from plants in this season. In this season, the leaves of the tree become yellow and dry and they fall from the tree. Autumn season is also called fall season because of the shedding of tree leaves. Students, autumn season comes in the month of October in India. Now let's move to winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The sun is not very hot. Here in this season, in winter season, sun is not very hot. Cold winds blow during this season. People wear clothes made of wool, silk and fur to keep warm. Students, we know that during winter season we feel cold winds. Cold air blows everywhere. We do not feel the hot rays of sun. People used to wear clothes that are made of wool because wool keeps us warm. We wear silk clothes for parties and we use furry clothes to keep ourselves warm. Bonfires are lit outdoor. People used to sit around the bonfire during winter season. Room heaters are used indoors. We use room heaters in our houses to maintain the temperature. People like to eat hot food and drink hot tea, coffee and soup. We relish hot food during winter season. Now let's read what is written here. Fun to do. Know the current season. Observe and note the fruits, vegetables available in the market and the clothes that people are wearing. Draw pictures or take photos and write a few lines. Here we can observe the seasons and then we can make the chart of the fruits, vegetables that are available in that particular season. Now there is winter season. We can make the chart of fruits, vegetables that are available in the market nowadays. And we will also make the chart of the clothes which people love or used to wear during winter season. You can take photos or you can draw the pictures and you can write few lines on the winter season. Now students, let's read about the spring season. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Spring season comes after winter. After winter season, we experience spring season. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is also very pleasant season where the temperature is not too hot nor too cold. Flowers bloom and new leaves grow on plants. Now after the winter season, when spring season comes, we can see flowers everywhere and new leaves grow on plants in this season. Children play outdoor. Children love to play outdoor. You can see the scene of spring season. I hope students you have enjoyed reading. Now it's your turn to read the chapter by yourself. First, watch the video carefully, understand the pronunciation and difficult words and read the chapter yourself. Thank you students.